At the CIMA Motor Show in China, Honda unveiled two exciting new motorcycles featuring a 502cc inline-4 engine, the CBR500R4, a fully faired sport bike, and the CB500 Super 4, a retro-styled standard. Both models are set to launch in early spring 2026, though Honda has yet to confirm which markets will receive them. The standout feature of both bikes is their all-new 502cc four-cylinder engine, which delivers a claimed 80 horsepower. This puts them in a unique performance niche within the 500cc class. Supporting this powertrain is the second-generation e-clutch system, which builds on the version previously seen on the 650 range. While the first-gen e-clutch allowed riders to shift manually without using the clutch lever, the updated system now integrates with throttle-by-wire to enable automatic downshifts. In a notable design change, Honda has repositioned the e-clutch's electric motors from the right side of the engine to the left, aiming for improved weight distribution. In terms of ride experience, both bikes come equipped with 5 programmable ride modes, enhancing rider control and adaptability in various conditions. They also share a diamond-shaped steel frame where the engine acts as a stressed member. Suspension duties are handled by an inverted front fork and a Pro-Link connected monoshock at the rear, attached to an aluminum swing arm. For braking, the front wheels use dual Nissan radial mount 4-piston calipers, promising strong and responsive stopping power. Styling distinguishes the two models sharply. The CBR500R4 draws clear design cues from the broader CBR family, resembling the twin-cylinder CBR500R but with a more aggressive, upswept fairing design. Meanwhile, the CB500 Super 4 leans into retro aesthetics, echoing the CB1000F concept with its classic lines and nostalgic detailing. Its silver paint scheme is accented by dual blue stripes, and the absence of a fairing puts the elegant 4 header pipes and chromed silencer on full display. Although many details are still under wraps, the CBR500R4 and CB500 Super 4 represent a bold step forward for Honda's mid-size lineup, combining modern technology with classic design and character. The upcoming release will mark the return of high-revving 4-cylinder excitement to the sub-600cc category, a segment where such engines have become increasingly rare.